Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure your health plan with Blue Cross Blue Shield, full guide step by step clearly. Start by visiting the official Blue Cross Blue Shield website. Locate the health plans section on the homepage. Review the options available, such as individual, family, and employer plans. Select the type of plan that best meets your needs. Click on Get a Quote or See Plans to explore available coverage options. Input your zip code to narrow down the plans available in your area. Fill out any requested information, including age, number of dependents, and health needs. Review the list of plans that match your criteria. Take your time to compare the benefits and coverage limits of each plan. Look for details such as monthly premiums, deductibles, copays, and out-of-pocket maximums. Consider any specific health needs you or your family might have. Once you find a suitable plan, click on it for more detailed information. Read through the plan features, focusing on prescription coverage, in-network providers, and specialist referrals. If you have questions, use the customer support options available on the site. To proceed with enrollment, click on the Enroll Now button. You will be guided to create an account or log into an existing one. Follow the prompts to enter your personal information and health history. Double-check all the information for accuracy before submission. Once you submit your application, you will receive confirmation of your enrollment. Keep an eye on your email for further instructions regarding your health plan. After enrolling, familiarize yourself with your member portal. This portal will provide access to manage your plan, track claims, and find providers. Remember to keep your health card handy once it arrives in the mail. Review any initial documents you receive to ensure everything is correct. Prepare to utilize your plan by scheduling visits or reaching out to customer service as needed. Congratulations on configuring your health plan with Blue Cross Blue Shield. You're now on your way to accessing quality healthcare services. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.